Namaste, my name is Neeti Wagh and we are here today to do a tap along video on heartache. Oh, my heart aches. Heart aches because somebody misbehaved or somebody did not match up to my expectations, or my boyfriend or my girlfriend ditched me, and my partner didn't behave well with me, or whatever could be your reason for the heartache. So not necessarily that just the lovers can have the heart broken. It can be a mother or a child, or any relationship between any two people, even neighbors can feel the heartache. But it is very important to come back to the balance, because everything is just a part of life, I think, and it is important to live life fully, and it's very important to come back to the center. So before we start, every time we start the tapping video, we always go inside and check on how bad is the ache. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being no ache at all and 10 being maximum, like it really aches so much that it is just going to fall like come out of my chest and fall right here. It's paining so much. So we'll take a quick moment to do that. Close your eyes, deeply breathe in through the nose and hold for a moment, and then release out of your mouth. So let's start. Go inwards at this point through your thoughts. Go to your heart and ask your heart, how much do you ache on a scale of 0 to 10? Look at that emotion and rate it in your mind. Okay, so when you have rated it, please open your eyes and hello again. And let's start the tapping on this emotion. So on the karate chop point right here, with your 3 or 4 fingers, whatever is comfortable, tap and repeat after me that even though I'm in so much heartache, heart pain, I completely and deeply love and accept myself. Even though I'm so hurt, this was absolutely unexpected, I completely and deeply love and accept myself. Even though it is so painful that I can actually feel something pinching inside my heart, I completely and deeply honor, love, respect, and accept myself. Top of the head. This pain, this feeling of betrayal, oh, it hurts. Why did this happen? Why did it happen to me? I never expected this to happen. It's too much for me to take. Under the arm, this pain, this difficult trap of hurt, everything is coming back to my mind over and over again. Entire movie is playing over and over again. I am feeling so bad about it. Oh, it's just so painful. I feel like rubbish. I feel stupid. I feel stupid to have trusted this person. I feel bad for myself. I feel angry on myself. How could I be so foolish? Why did I go that far? Why did I give this person or this situation so much power to hurt me so badly? Why am I in this situation? But I accept, yes, I am in this situation. And a part of me knows that everything is temporary. A part of me knows that it is an emotion that can be changed. An emotion is an energy that can be transformed. I choose to go with that part of me that knows how to heal. I allow myself to heal. I allow myself to bring the barriers down and let myself heal. I surrender myself to healing, the divine healing that is present within all of us. I unlock the happiness I have within me. I unlock that happiness each one of us has within them. Because I love myself. I love the universe. I trust the universe. And the universe trusts me because I'm capable of being on my own, of not being dependent on anybody for my happiness. My happiness is my own authority. I have the power to be happy. Now, I am happy because I love myself. I love life. I love everything. It's okay to feel safe. It's okay to feel good about myself. I feel great about myself. Stop. So now we'll go back to the rating of 0 to 10. Take a moment and just go back to that rating. How much does your heart ache now? Has it dropped? Has it gone up? Or is it at the same place? I'd love to hear from you how you feel when you tap along with me. Is there anything that you want me to cover, any specific topic? If the number has shifted even by 1 digit, it is a move, it is a shift. If it has gone up, that means that you have really opened a box of Pandora. And if it hasn't moved at all, then probably you need to work with a practitioner in person, because you need to share yourself quite a bit to release that pain. But do make an effort to release that pain, because guys, it's not worth it. Life is far more beautiful to be lost in these inferior emotions. I wouldn't say silly, but inferior emotions, because there are far more superior emotions to be experienced and live with. And with this I close my today's video. Looking forward to meet you and hear from you in my other videos. Thank you for sharing your time. I am healing with you. Let's build a community to heal each other. Thank you. My name is Neeti Wagh. Namaste.